Hello there, and welcome to Box Focus. I'm Andrea Williams. This is Case or No Case, and of course, this is where we test how well you know the law. My friend Jeff Pittman from PKSD Law Firm is here. How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing very well.
We have my special guest, Steve Burrows.
Hi, Steve.
Big Facebook fan.
Huge.
Okay, so are you ready?
I am definitely ready.
Okay, so you're driving northbound on Port Washington Road, and as you approach the intersection with Silver Spring, you have a green light, and then it suddenly turns yellow. You decide that you're going to slam on the brakes, you can't make it through safely, but you end up stopping a little, past the sidewalk, those white lines, right? There's a car that's behind you, sees you stop, but that car can't stop in time and ends up rear-ending you. So, case or no case against you for such a quick stop at that stoplight?
I think you may have been traveling too close behind me, so no case.
I say no case.
Yeah, there's probably not a case because it is following too close. You're exactly right. You've been doing this a long time.
Absolutely.
Right, so even though the car in front of you brakes suddenly, you have to give yourself enough room to be able to stop without hitting that car in front of you. So bravo, you both got it right.
High five, Steve.
Hey,
Way to go. And of course, you can always find out if you have a case or no case by dialing the threes, 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.